This right here is a bit of an oddity. One of the last few functioning payphones is on the West Virginia School for the Blind campus now. I cannot carbon date this thing, but I can tell it's new because it's got the metal-based cord, so you can't snip it or even bend it, as you can see. Really. This thing, 75 cents a call, and this thing doesn't even do long distance. And I don't have money with me, but I can get this thing to work with the 511 system. Increase the volume on the handset. Okay, let's do SF57. One. One. So you can tell this thing works, and just to prove to you that this thing doesn't do long distance, let's call a number out of Charleston, West Virginia, 344-5111, which will literally tell you the time. Let's do it. Let's pick up the phone.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. If you feel that you have reached...
Oh yeah, one.
We're sorry, your call...
And to prove to you that this thing does the connection fit with in-town numbers, I'll call a number here in Romney. The boys' floor. No, actually, I'll call the main office.
The call you have made requires a coin deposit. Please hang up momentarily, listen for a dial tone, deposit coin, and try your call again.
The call you have made requires a coin deposit. Random telephone operator. Did you grow up in New Orleans or something? What if I can get my change back? Nope. But you can, though, tell this thing has been through a lot because it's chipped on the handset. And I don't know if this is intentional, but right next to it, broken change machine. It's supposed to take 1s and 5s on this side and spin them out of quarters, but not even that works. So anyways, yeah, it's a random oddity on the West Virginia Blind campus.
Stop recording.
Have a good one.